students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. So tech goals of this chapter are stepwise learning approach, explain the uses of the internet, list advantages and disadvantages of the internet, describe the basic tech terminologies, open a website using a web browser. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start the chapter with let's boot up. Look at each activity carefully, then place it in the correct column. So use internet and does not use internet. So you have to place these terms in each column. Like online shopping, yes, we do it using internet. So you will place it in column 1. Clicking a photo with a camera, it does not use internet. Playing an online game, yes, it use internet. Drawing with crayons, it does not use internet. Talking on a landline phone, it does not use internet. Sending email, yes, it use internet. Checking the weather in mobile phone, yes, it uses internet. Or reading a printed storybook, so it does not use internet. A network is a structure where various parts are linked together. You encounter numerous networks on a daily basis, such as a network of highways, power lines and phone lines. In a similar chain, a computer network is created when millions of computers are networked together. So what is the term network means? It is a structure of various parts which are connected to each other. Like if you have heard about the link of railways, the link of roads, the link of power lines, etc. So in similar manner, computer networks are also interconnected to each other. That is called network. The internet, a worldwide network called the internet, connects millions of computers across the entire globe. Data, images, sounds and videos can be shared among 2 or more computers connected via the internet. Additionally, you can quickly use the internet to seek information on any topic of interest. So suppose you want to send or receive an email from your friend. So what you need for that? You need internet, and on internet you can search information on different topics. Now, uses of internet. The internet is helpful in daily life. Let's discover some of its most common uses. So first is news and information. You may read several newspapers online thanks to the internet. Getting information about many subjects that interest you, including politics, sports, education, etc. is helpful. You are also kept informed on current affairs. So you get updated about the ongoing in society and in cricket, in sports and in many things. Like if you like sports, you will get the information about the sports. If you like politics, education, etc. So you can get information on those topics. Art and entertainment, you may play games, read jokes, novels and books, watch films, listen to songs and solve puzzles online. You can also buy and download many kinds of software on the internet. So you can play games, you can read storybooks online, you can watch stories and other solve puzzles online. So this facility you get on internet. Online shopping. Instead of physically visiting the market, you can buy a variety of items such as clothing, books, electronics and other stuff from several online retailers across the globe. So this is the best part of internet, as you can sit at home and you can purchase anything online. You don't need to go to the market. You can purchase online, you can give or you can pay online and you can get the product at your home only. Mailing letters, internet email is one of the most commonly used services online. With only a mouse click, you can send and receive messages anywhere around the world. Emails can also have audio files, movies and photo attachments. And with the help of internet, you can send or receive emails. Health and fitness, through the internet, you can always access a doctor to provide health and fitness advice on demand. Additionally, you can use the internet to research prevention methods and cure for many illnesses. With the help of internet, you can access any doctor and you can have a prescription on anything, like if you are having fever, so you can consult online through internet. Tourism and travel, the capacity to book hotels and train tickets, airline tickets and other travel related services online is made possible by internet and is available 24/7 worldwide. So instead of standing in queues for long hours, you can sit at home and you can just place your ticket reservation and anything. You can reserve your tickets like railway tickets and plane tickets online sitting at home. Chatting, because of this feature, you can quickly send messages to other over the internet. Because of internet, you can chat with your friends. Tech Talk. Bing's AI-powered tools help users quickly find information. Additionally, voice search, tailored recommendations, and intelligent picture search are all possible with AI-powered Bing. So, Bing's AI-powered tool helps its user for finding quick informations, and you can search by voice command, and you can just have some knowledge on anything. Banking operations, one can carry out a banking transaction online from any place without visiting the bank. E-banking is the term for this. So you can do online transactions with the help of e-banking. Video conferencing, you can communicate with your with other using video conferencing even if you are in different geographic location. Participants need speaker, microphone, webcams and a screen for the conference. So when Corona was there, the children who were sitting at home was taking online sessions through video conferencing. So this is the best part of internet. Now, advantages and disadvantages of internet. Human lives are becoming easier and more convenient thanks to the internet. It does have a dark side though. Let's discuss the benefits and drawbacks of the internet. Even the internet has made our life easier, but it has some drawbacks. So we are going to discuss about those. So first we are going to discuss about advantages of the internet. The benefits of internet include the following: faster communication. Thanks to the internet, communication is now simple and quick due to the various services offered by the internet, including email, chat and numerous social networking websites like Facebook, Meta, LinkedIn, etc. People who live in different places can communicate with one another quickly. So it provides you faster communication, so you can chat with your friends, you can send emails in minutes, and through social networking sites you can share your thoughts with other people. Next is abundant information. The internet enables people to discover a large amount of information on any topic at different search engines that people use on the internet makes this feasible. So on internet you can get information on any topic. Easy sharing, the internet offers more than just the ability to access any type of information. Additionally, it makes it easier to share information with numerous users at once. So it is not limited, so you can share information with many people. Online services and email commerce. Using the internet, you can complete a transaction online. You can shop, books, book tickets, transfer funds, and do many other things. So with using internet, you can do multitask, like you can book your tickets, you can do chattings, you can transfer funds, you can do shopping and all with the help of internet. Now let's discuss the disadvantages of the internet. The internet has some disadvantages as listed below. Threat from viruses. The computers connected to the internet face threats from viruses. This can lead to loss of your important data, because we access internet and we go to some websites which are not authentic, which are not reliable, and when we download some content from these websites, we can get the virus from these sites. Information loss, information shared online is not entirely secure and may be exploited by malicious people. Users should therefore exercise caution when disclosing sensitive information such as passwords and credit debit cards numbers. Everybody is using internet, so there are so many people which are using internet for some misdeeds, and they can steal your data, they can steal your internet, or you can your card number, your credit debit card number, and they can steal your money. Fast spread or false information on occasion. Information found online is not accurate. However, it spreads quickly, which causes issues and misconceptions. So, internet is spreading news very frequently. So, it is spread false news also very frequently, which can cause misconceptions. Next is spam. It is the name for unnecessary and irrelevant social or advertisement emails many user receives. These can slow down the system and may have viruses that harms a user's vital data. So, with the help of internet, many people can do spam with you, can do fraud with you, and you will be not aware of that. Basic terminology of the internet. Here are few frequently used phrases while browsing the internet. First one is web page. We refer to the digital pages that contains the information on the internet as web pages. These pages could have links to other pages as well as text, images, audio and video contents. So, web pages are your digital pages which can contain any information on any topic. So, this is your web page. Now, what is website? Much like a book holds many pages, a website consists of several connected and related web pages. So, it is similar to your book which contains many pages. It also connect or contain many web pages which are interrelated to each other. Homepage. The homepage of any website is its main page with links to other pages. It is always the first page of a website. So, whenever you open a website, the page you see first, it is the homepage of that website. Now, web browser. A web browser is a software tool or program that enables you to view all the information present on the web. Usually, a desktop shortcut lets you open your web browser. Browsers make it simple to move between websites. Some commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, and Mozilla Firefox. So, web browser helps you to search anything on internet. So, usually you get a shortcut of a web browser on your desktop so that you can easily access the internet. So, these are your commonly used web browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Safari and Mozilla Firefox. Now, what is search engine? An application that helps find any information a user needs is called a search engine. A search engine explores the World Wide Web, www, to locate various web pages. Google, Bing and others are some of the most commonly used search engines. So, any application which helps you to find information which you need on any topic, you use search engine for that. Tech Talk. Did you know that search engines have become more powerful with AI? For example, all AIs allow you to give voice commands to Google which understand and shows relevant search results. So, whenever you open a search engine, you see a logo like this. This is like a microphone and you use it for giving voice command. URL. To visit a friend's house, you need their home address. In the same way, you need a website's URL to open and view it online. The Uniform Resource Locator URL is a unique address that points to each website. To visit the site, enter the URL in the browser's address bar. For example, the URLs for Microsoft and Facebook are respectively www.microsoft.com and www.facebook.com. So, basically, URL is a address, a unique address of any website which you need to type whenever you want to search for a particular website. Opening a website. To access a website or web page, the URL must be entered into the address bar found at the top of any web browser. Put your cursor in the address bar and type the address. To do this, www.amazon.com is one example. So how to open a website? First you have to open search engine, then you have to type the URL or address bar, and you have to just put your cursor in the address bar to type the address of that particular site, like we have typed www.amazon.com. Notice how the browser displays the most recently or often visited sites, websites, as you type in the address bar. Once you have completed typing, press enter key. This is how the Math Olympiad website looks. So you will see many links will be there for you. You can just open one link, whatever you like to open. Memory reload. The internet is a global system that links millions of computers around the world. A website is a group of connected web pages that are linked together. A web browser is a special software that enables the user to access data on the web. A search engine is a software program that finds any information needed by the user. So basically we have learned about the internet. What is internet? It is a global system, and we have learned about websites, web pages, web browser, search engine, etc. Now check your learning. Tick the correct option. The information on the internet in the form of digital pages are called web pages. Which of the following is a web browser? So it is Google Chrome. A dash is an application that searches for any information required by the user. So it is your search engine. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as URL. Address bar is found at the dash of any web browser. So it is situated on the top of any browser. Now fill in the blanks. The dash is a global network that connects millions of computers worldwide. It is internet. The dash is a collection of related web pages linked with one another. It is website. The first page of any website is known as its home page. A dash is an application that allows the user to access information on the web. It is a search engine. Dash is unique address that points to each website. It is URL. Write T for true and F for false. The internet is helpful only in offices. No, it is false. It is helpful in every place. An email is the most common means of transferring virus to your system. Yes, it is true. The internet helps in carrying out a banking transaction online. Yes, it is true. Internet makes it easier to share information with numerous users at once. Yes, it is true. A website is a special program to access web pages. No, it is not true. It is a collection of web pages, but it is not a special program. Answer the following questions. Write any two uses of the internet. So you can do transaction online, and you can do shopping online, you can do banking, and you can search information on any topic. Write any two disadvantages of the internet. So first is a spam. You can easily spam or frauded by anyone which is using internet, and it can be dangerous for you. So other disadvantages you can write here. What is web page? So web page is a page which contain information on a topic. Define search engine. Search engine is a application in which you can search information on any topic. Also name any two popular search engines. So you can write here Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Write steps to open a website. So you have to type the URL or address of that website in the address bar or search bar. Then you will get a lot of link related to this that website. You have to click on the particular link which is related to that website to open that website. Lab activity. Visit the computer lab and perform the following activity. Open any web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Enter the URL https://nzpnewdelhi.government.in in the address bar of the web browser and press the enter key. The home page of the website will appear. To visit other web pages of the same website, click on any of the options appearing on the top of the window. So you have to do it on the computer with internet. In the same way, you can use the web browser to search through various educational and games websites. So you can easily search for various educational games and websites on the internet. Group discussion. Students should be divided into 4 groups to debate the following topics. The internet uses the need of a strong password and safety precautions to take when using it. So you have to divide your class in groups and you have to discuss about this topic. Project work. Create a poster to make everyone aware about the online fraud. So you have to make a poster and you have to put the things like how people are getting spammed by other people online. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.